Oh my goodness. Like, it's official. Like, I'm dying. Like, I think I'm gonna get a heat stroke and pass out. The temperature in here is now 37 degrees Celsius at 65% humidity. It is so hot. Like, I'm dripping in sweat. I'm just dying. Like, it is so hard in the tropics in the middle of the day because it's so hot. And like being on a dark blue sailboat in the sun, I don't have $10,000 for the fancy shade covers that everyone else makes. So I threw on my dirty captain's uniform, so I'm gonna go probably dunk off the back of the boat just to cool off, because, you know, you can't be naked because you're gonna piss off the neighbors. But it's so hot. Like, usually I'm not in crowded anchorages like this, and I would just swim naked because fuck it, it's too hot. But the neighbors are like, you know, 50 feet that way, and there's neighbors all around, so I put clothes on to keep them happy. And I gotta go in the water to cool off before I get heat stroke and die. I think Canadians could literally die from the heat. Oh man, it is hot. Usually I keep the back of the dinghy aimed down so that the water can drain out when we get the heavy rains. You wouldn't want your dinghy to fill up like a bathtub. It would get very heavy and break your davits. But I have to bring the back end up to be able to get the swim ladder to drop to go swimming. I'm making myself wraps for dinner, and then it just starts raining just like that. The exciting news is the temperature is now down to 35 degrees Celsius at 68% humidity, so it's still hot as can be. I know it seems a little silly, but I have a weird obsession for old sitcoms, and lately my dinner time sitcom is The Golden Girls with Betty White. I just love that comedy. It's absolutely fantastic. And I think about the world of the 1980s, sort of the way it was for our baby boomer parents and grandparents as they got older. It was just, they had it so easy and so good compared to what the rest of us are going to have to go through. Right now, the cost of renting a room in Canada is 40 hours a week at minimum wage just to rent a room. No money for food or a car or anything extras. Just renting a room. You have to work 40 hours a week just to have a place to sleep. They didn't have it like that.
Came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor cause that's my plans. Give me some space for both my hands. You, cause it goes on.